Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I've been trying to do the Forgotten Desert. So I think I've been doing it about like 12 times already, but I still haven't gotten anything good. The only good thing I got was this little tiara, and then the rest is just yeah. I just want to thank my friends, like my buddies. She gave me, my buddy, I really can't see her username, I'm still so sorry. She gave me this light up horseshoe ring, and then my other two buddies just gave me these spiked wristbands, which I'm very happy about. I just want to thank them, because they are like my best buddies ever. I'm still gonna try doing this, because, yeah, it helps my ego level up more, and I can just see if I can get more spikes or rares or dead betas to get spikes. But yeah, so I'm a level 10 right now. I don't know, guys, I'm just gonna try doing this adventure, so I might not talk that much because I am very focused on this. I usually go my own little path, like, I don't know, I just made my path, and I usually just do the green and yellows, but personally, I say the blue ones are the best because that's where I get my most spikes, and that's where I got my black long. And yeah, 100 gems. The thing I don't like about this is that there's so much lag around, so, yeah. I'm gonna just keep doing this until I can get... Okay. If you wanna like do the Forgotten Desert with me, please drag me and like buddy me, so like, and say if you wanna do it with me, cause it helped a lot, and I am trying to get some stuff, so the lag right now. So I'm gonna pause the video until I get stuff, and yeah, I don't know, guys, I'm just very disappointed about me getting scammed still. Yeah, guys, so I've been just like flying around for a while. I'm still trying to find some stuff. Hopefully we get something good this time, because I usually get very bad items, but I still keep trying on this. So, yeah. My keyboard is loud, so sorry about that. I'm sorry if I'm quiet because I'm just still very upset about me getting scammed, but oh well. So I just have a few more left, and yeah. So we have a few more left until, like, yeah. Oh my gosh, the lag, guys. Okay, guys, so apparently it just was, a candy bowl. That's still not gonna help, but I don't know, guys. I'm just very stressed right now. So as soon as I click this, I have to find 2 more yellows. Okay. I don't know if I can find the other last 2. I'm still lagging right now, but So I have one more to find. Hopefully we can find it, but yeah. Okay, so I got the last one. Spiky mohawk. That's not really gonna do anything, but okay. I don't know, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's really boring, but yeah. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.